Here is the story of Fair Play. Lesson 7, Subject English. Welcome to the English class. Let's discuss about the story. There are two parts given, and the story is written by the famous novelist of Hindi language, Munshi Premchand. He is known as the Shakespeare of India, and very good fiction he has written. So this is a story of written by Munshi Premchand. It is its English translation. The story tells us about the Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry. They were good friends. Both were also greatly respected in the village because both of their families were connected with a good bond with each other. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. She transferred this property to Juman, and the only condition that was kept was to take care of his aunt throughout his life. She will stay with them throughout her life. Juman would look after her well. For 2 years, the arrangement worked well. Then the situation changed. The behavior of Juman and his family changed. Even the little food which was offered to her was loaded with insults. At last, her patience gave way. She realized that she was not welcomed in this house. She asked Jumman to give her a monthly allowance to set up a separate kitchen. Juman said abruptly that his wife knew best how to run the house. She decided to take the case now to the village panchayat. The old lady went to the villagers explaining her case. Some showed sympathy, some laughed at her, others advised her to make it up with Jumman and his wife. At last, she went to Algu Chaudhry. He told the lady that he could not go against Jumman as Jumman was his best friend. At this, she asked him, "But is it right, my son, to keep mum? To keep mum means to keep quiet and not to say what you consider just and fair." Now, the panchayat was held on the request of the old lady. The panchayat In the panchayat, under the banyan tree, Juman said, "Let my aunt nominate the punch. I will abide by her decision." The old lady suggested the name of Algu Chaudhry, knowing well that he was a close friend of Juman. This, however, made Juman very happy from inside because he thought that Algu won't go against him. His happiness was only short-lived. Algu Chaudhry gave his decision in favor of the old lady because he was sitting on the dignified position of Punch at that moment. She said that God lives in the heart of the Punch. She meant that as Punch, one was bound to be just and fair. But Juman was very angry. Juman was very angry and Juman had to give aunt a monthly allowance as the decision of the panchayat. The incident broke the bond of friendship. The two were not seen together after the case. Juman want revenge on Algu. Algu found himself in a tight position after a few days. On the contrary, what happens? The situation turns up, and Algu finds himself in a tight position now. He had sold his bullock to Samju Sahu. Samju Sahu had agreed to pay the price after a month. Unfortunately, the bullock died after the date of payment. Before the date of payment. Sahu refused to pay. A case came before the panchayat once again. This time, Sahu proposed the name of Jumman as Panch because he knew that Algu and Jumman are now enemies. Algu's heart sank. He was sure that Jumman would give his verdict against him, but he accepted the proposal. Though Juman was burning with the desire for revenge, but now he was sitting on the dignified seat of a punch. He gave the judgment in favor of Algu. Algu was overjoyed. He cried that it was a victory of Panchayat and justice. He said that God lives in the heart of Panch. Then the two friends embraced each other, and the tears had washed away the dirt of misunderstanding between them. I hope the story would have a great impact on you, dear children. And what you need to learn is that apart from enmity, there is one more seat, one more way of judging one another one. One should be very dignified while judging one another. So that's all for this chapter. Bye bye, students.